Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install downloader in the FireStick. So guys, if you want to install the downloader in the FireStick, so guys, it is very simple. So guys, in this video we will see. So guys, first of all, I am uninstalling my current downloader. Okay, then I will move a next step to see how to download. Okay, so guys, here I am going to the manage app. Then this is my downloader. Here I am trying to uninstall it. Okay, so guys, for installing the downloader, it is very simple. So guys, first of all, you can move to your app store in your Amazon Fire Stick. So guys, here you can see your app store, so you can click on that, the app store. Here after that you can search in the app library. Then you can search here, you can search downloader. So guys, if your remote is supported Alexa, so you can use, otherwise you can type. Okay, so guys, you can see here is your downloader app, and you can go there and find the option and download it. Okay, so you can wait for the few seconds, you automatically download the files in your system. Okay, here it's showing the open. So guys, it's able to install the downloader in your app, and you give the permission, then okay. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.